Here I share with you some information about the Internet and its features. Do you know what is Internet? The Internet is a global network of connected computers and servers that communicate with each other using standardized protocols. It allows users to share information, communicate, and access a vast array of online services and resources. The Internet is also sometimes referred to as the World Wide Web or simply the web, which is a collection of interconnected documents and other resources linked by hyperlinks and URLs. Why is it called the Internet? The word Internet is short for interconnected networks, which reflects its origins as a network of networks. The term was first used in 1974 as a short form of Internetwork to describe the system of interconnected networks that emerged from the ARPANET project. The ARPANET was a project funded by the U.S. Department of Defense's Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, to develop a communication system that could survive a nuclear attack. This project was the first successful implementation of the TCP/IP protocols that are used to transmit data over the Internet today. The term Internet was used to refer to this connected network of networks, and it's now used to describe the global network of interconnected computer systems. Now let's talk about types of Internet. There are several different types of the Internet that can be broadly categorized into the following: the public Internet, private networks, virtual private networks, wireless networks, cellular networks, satellite Internet, community networks, darknet. Look at them one by one. The public Internet, this is the Internet that most people are familiar with, which is accessible to anyone with a computer or mobile device and an Internet connection. Private networks, these are networks that are used by organizations and businesses to connect their employees and devices within the company. These networks are typically more secure than the public Internet, and they may have stricter access controls in place. Virtual private networks, VPNs, these are networks that use encryption to create a secure connection between users and the Internet. VPNs can be used to connect to a private network from a remote location or to connect to the public Internet in a more secure way. Wireless networks, these are networks that use wireless technology, such as Wi-Fi, to connect devices to the Internet. Wireless networks can be public or private, and they may have different levels of security and access controls in place. Cellular networks are used to connect mobile devices to the Internet. These networks are operated by cellular companies and they use cellular towers to transmit data. Satellite Internet, these are networks that use satellites to connect users to the Internet. These are typically used in remote or rural areas where terrestrial Internet infrastructure is not available. Community networks, these are networks that are built and operated by communities to provide Internet access to local residents. Darknet, it's a part of the Internet that is not accessible through standard web browsers and is only accessible through specific software, configurations, or authorization. It is often used for illegal activities such as buying and selling drugs and weapons, as well as for sharing sensitive information. It's important to note that these are broad categories and different types of the Internet may have different characteristics and uses. What are the features of the Internet? The Internet has many features, some of the most important including connectivity, global reach, interactivity, multimedia, searchability, scalability, openness, accessibility, e-commerce, social networking. Connectivity, the Internet allows users to connect with each other and share information, regardless of their physical location. Global reach, the Internet is a global network that connects users from around the world. Interactivity, the Internet allows for interactive communication, such as email, instant messaging, and social media. Multimedia, the Internet supports a wide variety of multimedia formats, including text, images, video, and audio. Searchability, the Internet allows users to easily find information through search engines such as Google. Scalability, the Internet has the ability to connect an ever-growing number of users and devices. Openness, the Internet is an open system that allows anyone to participate and publish content. Accessibility, The Internet is accessible to a wide variety of users, including people with disabilities, through the use of assistive technologies. E-commerce. The Internet allows for electronic transactions and business activities to be conducted online. Social networking. The Internet allows people to connect and share information with each other through various social networking sites. These are some of the most important features of the Internet, but it's important to note that the Internet is constantly evolving and new features and technologies are being developed all the time. The Internet has many advantages as well as disadvantages. First of all, the benefits of the Internet. The Internet has brought many benefits to individuals, businesses, and society as a whole. Some of the most significant benefits include the following: convenience, communication, education, business and commerce, entertainment, social connectivity, research, globalization, innovation, access to information, and government services. Convenience. The Internet allows users to easily access a wide variety of information, services, and resources from anywhere, at any time. Communication. The Internet has revolutionized the way people communicate with each other, through email, instant messaging, and social media. Education. The Internet provides access to a vast amount of educational resources, including online courses, tutorials, and educational videos. Business and commerce. The Internet has greatly facilitated the process of buying and selling goods and services through e-commerce and online marketplaces. Entertainment. The Internet provides access to a wide variety of entertainment options, including music, movies, and games. Social connectivity. The Internet allows people to connect with others and form communities around shared interests and causes. Research. The Internet provides access to a vast amount of information and data that can be used for research in various fields. Globalization. The Internet has made it easier for people and businesses to connect and collaborate with others from around the world. Innovation. The Internet has led to the development of many new technologies and industries. Access to information. The Internet has made information more widely available, which can be useful for people in making informed decisions. Government services. The Internet allows citizens to access government services and information more easily. Next, the drawbacks of the Internet. Some of the most significant drawbacks include the following: cybercrime, privacy, spread of misinformation, addiction, cyberbullying, social isolation, job displacement, digital divide, quality of information, security. Cybercrime. The Internet has made it easier for criminals to commit various types of cybercrime, such as identity theft, hacking, and phishing. Privacy. The Internet can be used to collect and share personal information without the user's knowledge or consent. Spread of misinformation. The Internet has made it easier for misinformation to spread quickly and widely, which can have serious consequences in areas such as politics, public health, and science. Addiction. The Internet can be addictive, leading to excessive use and neglect of other important activities. Cyberbullying. The Internet has made it easier for bullies to harass and intimidate others online. Social isolation. The excessive use of the Internet may lead to social isolation and reduced face-to-face communication skills. Job displacement. The rise of automation and e-commerce has led to job displacement in some sectors. Digital divide. Not everyone has access to the Internet, which can create a digital divide between those who have access and those who do not. Quality of information. It's difficult to verify the authenticity of the information available on the Internet, which can lead to misinformation, fake news, and propaganda. Security. The Internet is vulnerable to various types of security threats, such as viruses and malware, and it can be difficult to protect personal information and assets online. What is the Internet today? Today, the Internet is a global network of interconnected computer systems that enables the exchange of information and communication between individuals, organizations, and devices. It is a vital part of daily life for many people around the world and has become an integral tool for communication, commerce, education, entertainment, and many other aspects of modern society. The Internet today is a vast and complex network connecting billions of devices and users worldwide. It's composed of various networks that are connected together through gateways and routers. Users connect to the Internet through various means, including wired and wireless connections, to access various online services and resources. Today, the Internet has become an essential tool for personal and professional life. It allows people to access information, connect with others, and participate in a global economy. It also enables businesses to reach new markets, improve their operations, and create new products and services.